Oh, pose. I look cute in this clip, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, I'm posing for the camera, trying to look all cute, even though she got the wig cap showing, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's get straight to the video because yeah.
Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell.
Okay, so she's using, it says mean grip. It's a brown stick thing. She's rubbing it on the hair and making it look lighter than the brown black thingy thing. I don't really know what this thing does, but it's gonna make the wig look nice and make it look pretty, and yeah. So now here I am, looking bad and mean and disgusting like usual. And I'm very tender-headed, so that's why I'm making them faces. I don't like getting my hair done, but she braids very rough, so it hurts my head, and that's why I'm making them faces. Like I'm disgusted by something. Okay, so now she's about to start braiding my hair, and yeah, now she's doing the braid, I guess. Okay, so now she's showing the back of my neck, which looks very dark and black in this part. And now she's putting infinity growth in my hair, which it doesn't even grow my hair because my hair has been the same length every time she puts it in there. So don't buy this product because it doesn't help your hair. I'm just joking, by the way, but yeah, so that's what she's doing now. Okay, so now this is another mean grip product that I'm probably asking her what it is. I think it said liquid ice on it. I don't exactly know what this does. I I just know it's cold and it made my head cold. I didn't really like it. As you can see my face, I'm smiling with just looking bad, I guess. I don't know. It's just, I don't know what this thing does. It does something to your head, and she's brushing it back with the broken brush thingy. And yeah. Okay, so now she's putting the wig cap on my head and pushing it back so that my ears don't get caught in it, and yeah. So there I am again, and now she's putting the wig on my head. It looked really bad at first, but yeah. Now, I don't exactly know what she's doing now. I just know that she was moving my head a lot and it kind of hurt it a little bit. I don't exactly know what she's doing, but she's combing it, and yeah, I don't exactly know what she's doing in this part. Okay, so now she's using Mean Grip Protection. I don't really know what it protects, but it made my forehead look big and shiny, like hers be looking sometimes. But then she put the blow dryer on my forehead, and it kind of burned my forehead a little bit and made it very hot. But other than that, that's what she's doing. Now she's using the adhesive, I think that's how you say it, which is, I guess, glue. And now she's gonna rub it in, and I guess just let it sit there. I don't really know. And yeah. Now she's putting glue on my forehead for the 20th time in like 10 minutes, and she just keeps doing the same process over and over and over again. So there she is putting a blow dryer on my head. I don't know why she zoomed in because my face looks bad, but now she's burning me with the blow dryer and hurting me as usual. And now she's putting the wig on, and yeah. Okay, and there I am for a couple of seconds looking into the camera, very mad, and I look very mad and irritated, but I'm not. And there what it is on my head. It still looks kind of bad, but it's gonna get better. And there she is wrapping that on my forehead. That actually gave me a really bad headache, so once again she's hurting me again. Okay, so she took the thing off, and now she's combing it, and there I am putting chapstick on and making my lips not look crusty and wiping my nose. And now she's parting the wig to make it look straight and neat, and she's using a little white stick thingy thing. I guess that makes it hold down. Okay, so I know what this is. She's using a hot comb. It's gonna keep all the flyaways down, I think. And yeah. Now she's using mousse. I think that's mousse. I think that did the edges. Yeah, she did that with the edges. And yeah. Okay, so now she's using the hot comb again, and she actually burnt me with the comb. I still have the mark on my forehead to this day since she burnt me. I don't know if it's in this clip or something, but like, she burnt me with that hot comb, and she hurt me once again throughout this video. Okay, so now I think she just burned me with the hot comb right there, and now I'm looking all mad in the camera because I always look mad. And now she is making me show you guys what she has done. Hopefully you saw that burn mark on my forehead. Because she was wrapping the edges up so that it doesn't mess up. And now she's about to curl the front of my hair and make it look pretty. Okay, so now she's flat ironing it, about to do the beautiful curl. She's just twisting it, and twisting it, and she keeps twisting it, and then that's a beautiful curl right there. She made that curl look beautiful. Nobody else does curls like my mom, because her curls are different from other people's curls, because those are pretty curls right there. So basically, it was done. The wig was really cute, and I really loved it. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and yeah, leave a thumbs up.